Hi 10th class students. Today lesson polynomials. Introduction to polynomials. Already polynomials 9th class lo discuss. A flower bed is garden is in the shape of triangle. The longest side is 3 times the smallest side of the smallest side 2 units shorter than the intermediate side. Let P represent the length of the smallest side. Then what is the perimeter terms of P? There is an unknown in the above situation. Let this unknown the smallest side is given P units, since perimeter of triangle equal to sum of all sides. Perimeter triangle perimeter 3P P plus 2 perimeter P plus 3 plus 3P plus P plus 2 5P plus 2. The length of rectangular during all is twice its breadth. Let expression represents the breadth of the hall. What is the area of the floor of the hall in terms of x? In this the length of given as twice the breadth. So breadth x. With x, the length 2x. Since area of triangle equal to LB, area 2x into x, 2x square. So friends, polynomial discuss today introduction class. ప్లీజ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ చేసుకోండి. ఇలాంటి వీడియోలు మీకు కావాలంటే డైలీ కావాలంటే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓన్లీ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్లాస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.